Red light therapy devices are a big trend right now, and Nurabeam markets itself as an easy way to firm skin and reduce fat at home using light technology. But the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another gadget with overblown claims? Let's find out. So Nurabeam sells wearable devices like armbands, eye wraps, and waistbands that combine red and near infrared light with features like vibration or warmth to target areas such as the arms, thighs, or belly. The company says these lights can help improve skin firmness, reduce cellulite, contour curves, and release fat cells over time. Red light therapy itself at the right wavelengths has some scientific support for skin health and collagen stimulation in clinical settings, and high-end, powerful devices can show minor improvements in texture and tone, but results vary widely and depend heavily on device strength, consistency, and expectations. Looking at real customer feedback, the picture is mixed. Some users report firmer skin, less puffiness, and smoother appearance after a few weeks of consistent use. Many mention the bands are comfortable, easy to wear, and feel premium, but there are significant negatives too. Several customers say they saw little to no changes even after weeks. Some report poor customer service, refund issues, and billing problems. A few buyers describe the build quality as cheap or not matching advertised photos, so reviews lean towards mixed and varied experiences with no universal outcomes. Here's what independent research says about red and near infrared light. Red light is associated with skin health and collagen stimulation in some clinical studies. Near infrared may penetrate deeper and target muscle tissue, but home devices are far less powerful than clinical equipment. At-home bands and wraps generally deliver lower intensity than what clinics and professional devices use, meaning results can be subtle or inconsistent. That means some improvement is possible, but dramatic fat loss or sculpting claims should be taken with skepticism. Real results come from diet and exercise, not light bands alone. So is Nurabeam real or fake light therapy? Yes, it's a real device that emits red and near infrared light, which can have cosmetic benefits in certain contexts, but it's not guaranteed to deliver dramatic fat loss or instant sculpting. Results vary widely and are much more subtle than many ads suggest. The bottom line, if you want aesthetic, low-intensity light therapy at home, it might help a bit, as long as you keep your expectations realistic and pair it with good lifestyle habits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.